to a Millionaire Bootcamp with your favorite coach Somacharan and your Gyan Kamau family. So what are you waiting for? One of the most billion rupee question is that how exactly I should make my first income. I know that's one of the most important questions, and this particular episodes of 11 videos is going to cover all of your most important questions, and we're going to cover the basics of personal branding, we're going to cover the basics of lead generation, we're going to cover all of the introductional part to how to close up the lead and even make your first couple of incomes and make your business automated. And my personal goal is to make every one of you who are watching this video live to reach their income to the first 1 million, which is 10 lakh rupees. So what are you waiting for? Let's start this session. Chapter number 1, your first move. Welcome to the Millionaires Bootcamp by Gyan Kamau. So what are the most important stuff, which I call 3 core stuff when it comes to this type of business, this type of affiliate marketing business, which I would say this mindset, skill set and tool set. I would call this 3 core stuff. Now, what do I mean by that? When we are starting not only this type of business, any type of business, not just in Gyan Kamau, any type of traditional type of business or any sort of freelancing, solopreneur, LLP, private limited, the most important thing when a business requires, what a business requires is the mindset, skill set and tool set. Right? What does I mean by mindset? Right? Mindset, the things that you direction your thoughts to make your business run amazingly. The skill set, all the skills that you need in order to make your business successful, profitable and enough worthy living every day. And tool set, all of those tools that you need in order to support your skill set and mindset. The right tools at right places makes your business thriving is a quotation by one of the greatest philosopher, and that's what I believe in, right? And this is what the whole 11 episodes we're going to cover around, what exactly the right mindset is all about, what exactly the skill sets is all about, and what is the tools that you need to make your business automated. So when we come to the context of this 11 episodes, so exactly we're going to learn about the right mindset you need to work in this business. What exactly, because many people you see in this business start the business within 2-3 days or 4-5 days they quit. That's the problem. It's just like, you're investing 3-4-5 lakh rupees to setting up a shop, and then you're expecting 8-10 lakh of rupees in just 2-3 days, and then 4th or 5th day you say, hey, it's not going to work and I'm going to just quitting this business because it's not going to make money of the worth of the capital that I've just invested, right? This is not going to happen. When you invest a bulk amount or invest in any sort of time or money or your energy, you need to wait, you need to give that business a time. And exactly that's what mindset says, right? And the right mindset, not just in the with context of investments or anything, the right mindset to keep going, to keep your business sustainable, profitable. This is what it needs for every businessman. And exactly in next chapter we're going to cover it, the skill set. How exactly, because we both have always heard about people making lots and lots of money through Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube, but how exactly it works, right? And exactly that's what we're going to cover in the skill set. And when it comes to tool set, when the systems are automated, when the Instagram, Facebook and everything is actually able to generate you the enough reach, enough followers, how to get that reach, followers to your converted sales is another $1 billion question. And exactly that's where the right tools comes in the right places, and exactly that's what it needs to make your business thriving, successful and make enough profits. So let's dive into the next chapter, which is mindset.